we had asked determine the size of the interior angles of parallelogram ABCD. Now, when we are told that it is a parallelogram, now we know that we can now know that, okay, if it's a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. Now, if opposite sides are parallel, looking at these two triangles, we are saying they are co-interior. So these two angles here, these are co-interior angles. Now, what do co-interior angles do? Co-interior angles are, what is it? They add up, they are supplementary, meaning to say they add up to 180. So that's what we know. So we can now use that information to calculate what you call the angles. So now what are we going to do here? We're going to say, okay, A plus D must be equals to 180. Okay. Why? Co-interior angles, supplementary. So your co-interior angles are supplementary. Why are you saying that they are supplementary? Because we know that AB is parallel to what is it? To DC. That's what is actually giving us that confidence. So here, this is what you need to understand, guys. So that's what you need to understand there. Okay, that this is how you should actually write it. Now, in that case, now you're now going to say you have already given your reason. So what you are going to do now, you don't need to give a reason to calculate x for now. But now let's see what we're going to do here. 2x minus 30 plus 2x plus 10 should give us what we call 180. Now, when you solve this, we find that x is equals to 50. Now, it means that we can now substitute there and say, okay, A is equal to, so here we are saying A, what is it? Is going to be equals to 2 times 50 minus 30, okay, which is going to give us what we call 70. Okay, now what about D? D is going to be equals to what we call 2 in bracket 50 plus 10. That will give us 110. Okay, so that's what we have there. So we now know that, okay, there is 110, there is 70. Then what can we also say now? Because remember, we want to calculate all the interior angles. So now we are left with B and C. But now what can we do? We know this stuff. Now we know that we are given that it's a parallelogram. Now, if it's a parallelogram, opposite angles should be equal. So here, what are we going to do? We're going to say what is good? B is equals to what is it? 110. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Then what else can we say? We can also say, C is equals to 70. Why? Opposite angles of parallelogram equal. That's what we have. That's what we need to do. So we have found everything, and we are able to actually to proceed in that case. So that's what you need to understand, guys. That's what you need to understand, that this one here is going to be 110. Let me just use another color here. This one is going to be 110. This one is going to be 70. But you're not just writing. You are supporting whatever you say with a what you call a statement. Now let's go on to